Hi, I'd just like to show you a couple of kits that we're bringing out through Every Tool, and these are mainly for the wood carvers or anybody who likes a very keen edge. So if I come down here, Mike, there's going to be a couple of combinations of these kits. One is going to be the 6 by 2 inch double-sided diamond stone, monocrystalline diamond, 300 grit coarse, 1000 grit fine, complete with leather, coarse and fine, the mirror paste, and of course the Titman Edge lapping fluid. That is going to be one combination which is going to be superb for the wood carvers. If you're going slightly upmarket and there's a lot of other tools that you want to be using, exactly the same kit but using the classic professional 8 by 3 inch stone, 300 grit, 1000 grit. Remember, the substrate is finished off on both of these to plus or minus half a thou. The only way to measure effectively the flatness of a diamond stone is on the substrate before the diamond is electroplated onto the surface. You'll find a lot of the cheaper versions around just use some sort of plate which is stuck on top, whether or not it's got holes in it, star shapes, whatever. You can never guarantee a decent flatness on something like that. These stones, the diamond is all adhered onto the same bit of metal. Okay, so just to show you very quickly, I'll do it on the 6 by 2 inch. We'll put a bit of fluid on there. A carving knife, few light strokes. Let the diamond do the work. You can see what I'm taking already. One side and then the other side. One side and then the other side. I've put a really keen edge on there already. So I'll use this strop because I've already got it dirty. Then I apply that to where the paste is. A couple of light strokes, couple of light strokes. This is all very quick. Great believer in get your tool sharp and get back to work. Take it off on this side. And then hopefully we're achieving something that is that sort of sharpness. Very easy, very quick. Two great new kits. The 6 by 2 inch, the 8 by 3 inch, both carving kits. Look on the Titman Edge Diamond product site or through Every Tool. Thank you.